In our first 4 modules, we introduced the 4 pillars of chemistry, the 4 fundamental ideas that our course is based upon. It might be worth stopping to take a look at our course outline and consider what's coming up next. When we discussed the 4 pillars of chemistry, we saw how the theory of the atom evolved. We continue to focus on atoms, now using modern atomic theory. When we finish with atoms, we will put atoms together to make molecules. After discussing molecules, we'll put them together to make materials. Then, in the second half of the course, we will let the materials react with one another. We'll spend the next 4 modules focusing on atoms. In Module 5, we'll introduce the language and tools of modern atomic theory, called quantum theory. In Module 6, we'll use electron configurations as a shorthand way to characterize where the electrons are in an atom. In the 7th module, we'll look at some of the atomic properties that depend on where the electrons are. In Module 8, we'll review the properties of atoms by relating them back to energy. Another way to view our next 4 modules is that we are going to take our 4 pillars of chemistry and apply them to the modern model of the atom. We'll explore how this modern model relates to and is consistent with the periodic table, and how the modern model relates to the properties of the atoms of different elements. It's worth remembering our first pillar of chemistry. We live on the mole scale. We handle atoms hexillions at a time. But individual atoms, they live in a different realm, on a scale much smaller. We can't assume that objects like electrons that are on the atomic scale behave in the same way as objects would on our scale. So keep that in mind as we enter the strange world of quantum mechanics and quantum theory.